Okay, Wheezy. Let's do this.
No.
Come on, wait for it.
She's trying her best.
You can do it. It's okay. Don't worry. No one will judge you. Just let it out.
Pretty good.
Come on. Come on. There was a little one.
Yep.
Come on, we're almost there. Come on, fight it. Gently. Like going into a warm bath. The water won't save you.
It's seltzer, actually. Why do I feel like she's going to spit it out?
She was about to. Come on, Wheezy. I've got 15 minutes on this. I can do this for the next 15 minutes, believe me. I'm sure you will wheeze before then, if not choke, which will be equally entertaining.
It's nice to see you get tortured. And then she tortures you, and then you torture me. It's a never-ending cycle, except I can never initiate it.
What would happen if, you know, that seltzer just mysteriously vanished? Oh no!
The change is ongoing.
Have I mentioned that I haven't been vaccinated for the flu this year, and it's possible that I have it right now?
Have I mentioned that I have been vaccinated for the flu? Had it?
Huh. Come on, Wheezy. Come on, just give in. Give in.
What are you doing? He's like lurking in a corner. Creepy lights stuff. She's tired. Wants to go to bed.
You're going in the other room.